are the top trending news updates for tonight from NaijaNews TV. I'm at home in Onitsha. Obi debunks arrest rumors. The 2023 presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, has dispelled rumors of his arrest.
What I face, what I go through, what my family go through, you wouldn't even believe I should.
Stating that he's currently at his residence in Onitsha, Anambra State. This clarification comes amid allegations and counter-allegations of death threats between him and the chieftain of the ruling All Progressive Congress, APC, Felix Morka. The spokesman also challenged Obi to provide evidence of the alleged threats against his life and family. In a statement via his official X handle on Wednesday, Obi called on his supporters to ignore the rumor of his alleged arrest, describing the claim as entirely false. The recurring fake news about me. I've been made aware of circulating fake news about my alleged arrest. Let me state unequivocally that these claims are entirely false. I'm currently at my home in Onitsha, Anambra State. Such fake news about me has become a pastime for some people, he tweeted. According to him, a similar rumor was amplified in 2024 when it was falsely claimed that he had been arrested by DSS officials. NaijaNews recalled that the former Anambra State governor had claimed that his life was under threat due to his criticism of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration. In the same vein, Ganduje blasts Peter Obi, calls him liar, says he incited followers to threaten Morka's life. The national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, APC, Abdullahi Ganduje, has accused the 2023 Labour Party presidential candidate, Peter Obi, of libel and inciting his followers to issue death threats against APC spokesman, Felix Morka. Ganduje accused Obi of lying by claiming that Morka threatened him and his family in a recent interview. Obi had alleged that Morka threatened his life following his New Year's Day criticism of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration. He asked if he had really crossed the line after facing alleged threat to his life, family, and associates from Morka. In response, Morka asserted that Obi had quoted him out of context, emphasizing that he never threatened Obi's life, calling on the former Anambra State governor to set the record straight. However, Ganduje described Obi's claims as unfortunate and misleading. According to Ganduje, by falsely claiming that Morka threatened his life, Mr. Obi has libeled Morka in the extreme and incited his online supporters to issue death threats against Morka and his family. Ganduje further emphasized the importance of free speech, a right protected by Nigeria's constitution, which equally applies to all Nigerians, including members of the ruling party. From National News, regarding tax reform bills, you kept quiet under Buhari, Shehu Sani knocks Northerners threatening Tinubu. A chieftain of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Senator Shehu Sani, has slammed top politicians in the north for threatening to use the controversial tax reform bill against President Bola Tinubu's re-election in 2027. In an interview with The Sun, Sani, the former lawmaker, asked the north to reorganize itself and see how the Northerners who are in Asiwaju's government can contribute to its development. He pointed out that President Tinubu has given key institutions in his administration to Northerners. Shehu Sani pointed out that Northerners refused to voice out under the administration of former President Muhammadu Buhari despite many failures. According to Sani, Northern elite refused to say to Buhari that they voted for him but he failed. The former lawmaker said Buhari appointed Northerners into office and they didn't serve the interest of the North. In a recent development, U.S. Embassy in Nigeria to be closed. The United States Embassy in Abuja and Consulate General in Lagos will temporarily close on Thursday, January 9, 2025, to honor the late Jimmy Carter, former President of the United States, who passed away on 29th of December 2024 at the age of 100. NaijaNews reports that the announcement was made on Wednesday via a statement released by the U.S. mission to Nigeria on its official X account, formerly known as Twitter. Carter, the 39th President of the United States, served from 1977 to 1981 and was widely recognized for his dedication to peace negotiations, democratic values, and human rights advocacy. He also authored numerous books throughout his lifetime. The statement highlighted Carter's significant contributions to U.S.-Nigeria relations, noting, "We remember former President Jimmy Carter, a tireless advocate for peace, democracy, and human rights. As the first U.S. president to visit Nigeria, he strengthened U.S.-Nigeria relations and supported Nigeria's democratic process. His legacy continues to inspire us." The temporary closure of the diplomatic missions underscored the enduring respect for Carter's legacy and his impact on international relations, including his role in fostering strong ties between U.S. and Nigeria. In the same vein, Foreign Affairs Minister Tuga meets Chinese Wang Yi.
What?
The foreign Foreign Affairs Minister Ambassador Yusuf Tuga on Thursday met with his Chinese counterpart Wang Yi and members of his entourage at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Abuja. NaijaNews understands that the meeting aimed at strengthening bilateral relations between Nigeria and China and will also foster cooperation in key areas such as trade and investment, health, technology, and infrastructure development. Delivering his opening address, Tuga pledged Nigeria's commitment to building a more resilient relationship between both countries. He recalled President Bola Tinubu's visit to China in September 2024, where 4 memoranda of understanding were signed, and reaffirmed the commitment to the agreement, which is said at different levels of implementation. Meanwhile, the Chinese foreign minister said his first African visit for the year is to continue deliberations held at the Forum on China-African Cooperation Summit last year, which underscores China's commitment to enhancing its partnership with Nigeria. From the international scene, 19 killed in Chad presidential complex attack, government reacts. At least 19 people were killed on Wednesday evening following an armed attack on Chad presidential complex in the capital, N'Djamena. Gunfire erupted near the presidential building around 7:45 p.m. with tanks deployed on the streets. According to government spokesperson and Foreign Minister Abderrahman Koulumala, the attack was carried out by a 24-member armed commando unit. There were 18 dead and 6 injured among the 24 commando units that launched the assault, and we suffered 1 death and 3 injured, one of them seriously, Koulumala confirmed. He added that the situation is completely under control and the destabilization attempt was put down. Initially suspected to be Boko Haram members, Koulumala later dismissed this possibility, describing the attackers as probably not terrorists but rather drunken criminals, referring to the assailants as speed knickers, a French comic reference for bungling crooks. Just hours before the attack, Chinese Minister Wang Yi met with President Mahamat Idris Deby and other senior officials, underscoring Chad's strategic importance in international diplomacy. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Keep viewing NaijaNews TV and thank you for watching.